In this video, I'm going to show you how you can successfully change the default browser on your Android phone. As usual in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, heads up, let's get started. Click on settings. Then you will see various options here. You will look for option of app management. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Now just click on app management. Then you will locate defaults app. Follow every process, default apps, okay? Nice one. Then you will see browser app. Now you can see currently my default browser is Chrome. Just tap on browser app. Then you can choose a different browser. Maybe I want to use Phoenix for browsing the internet. So that's how you change the default browser app on your Android phone. As usual, if you found value in this video, please make sure to like it because it really motivates me, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.